Hi everyone and welcome back to God of Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you the best way to create Instagram account. So first of all you have to open Instagram and then you will see sign up. Click on sign up and you will be directed to Instagram. As you can see that I was already logged in to my Instagram from my previous account. So first we have to go to profile and then just click on settings. Here we have to click on logout so that we can easily create a new account for our Instagram. Just click on sign up. So on this page first we have to enter the mobile number or the email address. Now we have to enter the password that we want to create for our account. Below this step you have to enter the username that will be shown only on your profile, and above the password you will see the name of yourself. Now just click on sign up and your account will be easily created. So this is how you can create your Instagram account, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.